Welcome to the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for Monday, September 21st, 2020. The most recent water vapor loop from GACC shows an initial trough just to our west-northwest and another trough further upstream. It will be the week of trough impacts. GACC visible imagery reveals patchy low clouds, mainly along the north coast, this morning. A fair bit of smoke is found elsewhere. Ventilation will increase today, and that will help to thin the smoke this afternoon. Some mid and high-level cloud cover will affect northern areas, providing additional shading this afternoon. The latest GFS forecast graphics show a series of Pacific troughs affecting the region starting today and lasting through most of the week. The much-advertised pattern shift is still expected to start this weekend and transition from a distinct trough impacts to a dominant ridging pattern, which should last well into next week. Temperatures would climb from near normal on average this week to above and well above normal this weekend into the following week. Some record highs will be possible under the dominant ridge pattern. Precipitation will be relegated to the northwest quarter or so late Wednesday night into Thursday, with generally less than a quarter-inch amounts. Otherwise, no organized precipitation events the next 7 days. Increasing west-southwest and southerly winds today, with peak gusts of 20 to 30 miles per hour. Pockets within the coastal range and along and east of the crest will be favored. This forecast image is valid at 1700 today. West, southwest, and southerly winds will increase even more on Tuesday, with peak gusts at 25 to 35 miles per hour, favoring the Bonac Plateau and along and east of the crest. This forecast image is valid at 1700 Tuesday. A tad stronger wind flow from earlier week strengths expected Wednesday and Thursday, with peak gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour favoring northern and eastern areas. It should be mentioned breeziness is expected most areas during this time frame. This forecast image is valid at 1700 Wednesday. Some sort of north-northeast and offshore wind flow is expected to start up this weekend and last into early next week. Models have varied somewhat on the strength of the pattern, but they have been fairly consistent on predicting some sort of offshore wind pattern. This forecast is from the GFS model, valid 0500 Monday morning. Note the tighter black contours stretching from the north coast to the northern Sierra PSAs. Stay tuned on the development of this potential critical pattern. The lowest humidity of the week should occur today and Tuesday. Expect inland minimums in the teens and 20s during this period, with moderate to localized poor recoveries tonight and Tuesday night in areas. This forecast image is valid at 1700 Tuesday. Humidity will increase Wednesday and Thursday from west to east due to a deeper onshore flow, added cloud cover, and some rain potential. Still expecting some teens and 20s across eastern areas. Humidity will lower by this weekend. This forecast image is valid at 1700 Wednesday. The 7-day significant fire potential product shows varying risks due to the changeable weather patterns the next 7 days. The most critical period appears to be this weekend into early the following week, due to an anticipated offshore wind, low humidity, and warming event. Gusty west-southwest and southerly winds most of this week will also lead to heightened periods of large fire potential, especially along and east of the crest, including the Modoc Plateau. Dead fuel moisture values will flutter up and down this week, but will lower significantly this weekend into the following week. In summary, Pacific trough influences through most of this week, which means an increasing west-southwest and southerly wind flow peaking Wednesday and Thursday. Gradual deepening of the marine layer, with humidity increases Wednesday and Thursday from west to east. Coupling of marginally low humidity and gusty winds found across the east the next several days. High risk due to an offshore northerly wind, low humidity, and warming pattern this weekend and lasting into early the following week. Above to well above normal temperatures and much drier conditions this weekend into next week due to a dominant ridge.